Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed a DIY tutorial, so I am feeling a little bit rusty, but hopefully I can get through this okay. So today I'm going to be making a paper lantern centerpiece. So I'll just go over these supplies. I have here a paper lantern. I got this from the dollar store or Dollarama to be more specific. Then I also have here a stemmed glass that I've already spray painted with a copper spray paint. I get all my glassware from the secondhand store. I have my wire cutters. I have some battery operated tea lights. This lantern does have its own tea light built in, but I am going to be gluing it to the stemmed glass, so I won't be able to get to the on and off switch, so that's why I'm using the tea lights. I also have here my glue gun. I'm going to be hot gluing everything together. If you want a more heavy duty glue, you can use E6000. I'm not going to be using it just because I need this for a different project. But yeah, you can use this glue. And then lastly, I have here some strips of cardstock paper in like a copper metallic finish. You can use ribbon. I would actually prefer to use ribbon, but it turns out I don't have any copper ribbon in my giant ribbon collection. So yeah, I'm going to be using this instead. So that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set up my lantern. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this part, the part that hangs. So I'm going to grab my wire cutters and try and get this off. So, there we go. Oh no, the whole thing came off. Oh, well, that, I didn't know that was going to happen. Shoot. Oh no. Okay, so I did not know that that was going to fall apart like that. So what I'm going to do is try and glue this, hot glue this on. I think that's what I have to do. Oh, how did this go? Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna try and hot glue this thing on, and let's see if we can do that. So all right. Okay, so the glue seems to be dry, so hopefully that will hold and crisis is averted, but we won't know till I put this doohickey back in there, so let's try. Okay. Alright, so there, that seems to be holding. Okay. All right. Yeah, I had no idea that this top part was going to come right off. I thought it was going to stay on. So, yeah, I think it's going to hold. I will let you guys know, but I'm going to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and take my my paper strips here, and I'm going to put one on the bottom and one on the top of the lantern. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to glue the lantern on top of the stemmed glass, and I'm going to glue the part with the tea light down. So I think I'll put the glue on here. And again, you can use the E6000 glue if you want it to hold better. I'm just going to do this for now. And I'm going to try to get it right in the center here. Okay, so the glue is dry. So this is what the lantern centerpiece looks like. Now all I have to do is just put the tea lights in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that so you can see what it looks like with the tea lights. So let's go. Okay, so this is what the lantern looks like once the tea lights have been plopped right in there. Overall, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think it looks nice. I think it's an easy and affordable party decoration DIY. I will let you guys know in the comments if the paper lantern starts to rip at the top where it kind of fell apart earlier. I had no idea that top part was just going to fall right off, but I think it's going to be okay. So yeah, but check the comment section for that. I'm just going to go ahead and dim the lights so you can see what it looks like once the lights are dim. I do suggest using 2 tea lights instead of 1, just so you get a better glow. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and